Recently, the Web3 community platform Mojor launched the alpha version and opened the demo community for users. According to Mojor's official website, the alpha version includes basic community creation and chat functions, as well as real-time access to NFT data called NFT ScanBot. Even though crypto has developed into an emerging asset class with trillion-level market value at present, the Web3 community still needs to be built on the traditional Web2 platforms, which seems going against the development philosophy of Web3. Any Web3 project has to set up its official Twitter, Telegram, Discord, Medium, Instagram, etc. as the social channels. This seems to have become an industry practice, but the risks along with it have never been seriously addressed. And this is exactly the core problem that Mojor is committed to solving, bridging the gap between Web2 and Web3. Mojor is a decentralized community application for Web3, designed to enable anyone to create and truly own a community by minting NFTs. The vision of Mojor is to help people acquire their online social graph and create an integrated community platform based on Web3. In simple terms, learning from the Discord community information architecture, Mojor adds bots for Web3 application scenarios. Users can chat and communicate on Mojor, while conducting transactions, DAO governance and other Web3 activities through a series of bots. Next, let's take a closer look at Mojor's application scenarios and how it solves the Web2 application dilemma. Mojor users are able to log into the community through their wallet addresses without registration, which can effectively protect user privacy. One of the stubborn diseases of centralized organizations in the Web2 era is that users' information privacy is often leaked. Major Web2 platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Yahoo all have encountered extremely serious breaches of user information. While on Mojor, as users' assets on-chain and behavior data are open and transparent, the community managing bots can directly assign identity groups according to the NFTs or tokens held in the user's wallet addresses after they join the community, saving the trouble of repeated verification. Moreover, community members will have full control over their data and identity, as all data will be stored in a decentralized manner and strongly encrypted end-to-end, so as to ensure users' complete anonymity and data security. Users can also directly search another user's address in the community for communication, breaking this situation with Web2 and Web3 disconnected. Previously, if a certain user takes a fancy to bake number 6666 NFT, which is not listed for sale, the buyer cannot directly contact the owner through the wallet address to obtain the collection. Now with Mojor, the buyer may directly search the address in Bake community to find its owner and make the offer. After reaching an agreement, both parties can trade through the NFT swap, one of the bots in Mojor, without being redirected to OpenSea third-party NFT trading platform. It is worth noting that currently NFSwap does not charge transaction fees, and users only need to pay on-chain gas fees to complete transactions. For Web3 project founders, the emergence of Mojor empowers them to gain control and ownership of the community. Web2 centralized platforms often block accounts, causing the community organizations collapse. In this regard, Mojor has made improvements. To be specific, the process for users creating community server is also the process of minting the server NFT. Owning the NFT gives users the absolute ownership and highest authority of the server, which comes into a community truly belonging to the creators, and the server ownership can also be made over to others by transferring the server NFT. More crucially, Web3 project organizers can achieve more efficient governance with Mojor. By integrating the governance modes of Web3 community, optimizing the community organization and information architecture, and further providing a variety of bots based on Web3 application scenarios to improve the efficiency of community governance, Mojor aims to govern, serve, expand and activate